Good morning, everyone. It's way too early for this stuff. Whose idea was this to go hiking?
It's 9:30.
First thing in the morning.
9:30.
That's first thing in the morning, 9:30. If this wasn't on camera, I would say nasty things. We are rolling into Bar Harbor this morning to eat pancakes at this wonderful looking restaurant. What was the name of that place? What's it called?
Great Maine Breakfast, I think.
Great Maine Breakfast.
Or Maine Great
And
Breakfast.
somebody isn't wearing their seatbelt. I think it's me.
Me too.
And Great Maine Breakfast. And yes, pancakes. And then we are gonna go do some hiking up in Acadia. Do we know what hike we're doing today? Are we just...
Principe.
What's that?
Principe.
Principe? You mean Principus?
Yeah,
Like...
that's what I said. Prince of Peas. So start with me.
The Principus.
It's 9:30.
And yeah, it should be entertaining. So bring you guys along for a hike.
You guys should buy one of these.
All the cool kids.
Down their Amazon list. All the cool kids got them.
The food at the Genie's Maine Breakfast? Is that what it is? Great Maine.
Breakfast.
Genie's Great Maine Breakfast. The food was pretty darn good, right?
It was rocking.
These guys eat
good.
vegan, we ate vegetarian. It was all good. I had a Mexican burrito.
We're
Awesome.
gonna get another Cliff Bar.
And now we're gonna head up to Acadia and we're going on a hike or two.
We changed our mind, man.
We were gonna go to the precipice, but we've all decided that we are way too weak and feeble for that. So now we're gonna go to a hike called the Beehive, which we're probably still too weak and feeble to do, but we're gonna try that one anyways.
Because why not?
Because we're all so out of shape and used to sitting in our RVs on a computer. All right, I gotta go down in there. Gotta videotape this in case I fall. This is cool. Although I may get soaking wet. I don't know if I can get across there, let me see. This is awesome. Holy. Anything in the little tide pool here? I don't think so. How clear that water is. It's amazing.
There is this crazy one. Going to places he shouldn't go, like always.
Probably going to be really hard to see on video, but if you look out towards the sailboat there and I zoom in a little bit, you see the little dots in the water. There's thousands of lobster traps out there, just thousands of them, little dots everywhere. So I guess as a boat you have to kind of navigate in between all of them. Pretty crazy. We are now going to hit the Beehive, which is a 1.8 mile trail, and we think we've parked about 3 miles from the entrance to the trail. We're not sure.
So it makes it 4.8.
We're gonna be shooting on the GoPro, so as usual, audio is gonna suck more than normal, but I didn't want to break the other camera on this hike because it looks like there's some rock ledges that we're gonna have to climb on, so we'll see. The entrance is somewhere up there.
Up that hill.
Up that hill? Why didn't we park up there? How are the ladies' restroom facilities here at Sand Beach?
Very busy, but mine surprisingly clean for the amount of people.
Not too bad. All right, mine was surprisingly clean as well. So now it's off for the hike. The Beehive, somewhere up there.
The bull trail. Somebody already smoked one.
Beehive is 0.2 miles. I thought this was an 18-mile hike up 5,200 feet of rock face cliff. I like the 0.2 miles much better, trust me on that one. Lori, is there anything else I could put in that backpack to make it heavier for you?
Yeah, Jesus. Oh, did you pack 10?
I could put shoes in there too, if you'd like.
I have my shoes, that's why it's so thick and heavy.
Wow.
Close to the top, right? Is it? I'm afraid of heights, just FYI.
Me too. Well, I'm afraid of falling from up there.
Yeah.
So.
I figured there's a rope
Maybe you
right
should
there.
take a
We can just
picture
hold
of
on
me when I get up there.
Tarzan across it.
Right here.
Proving that I did this. In case you fall later.
Awesome. Let's do this. We were watching a video of this girl. She was calling these like when they come across. Huh?
What kind of stapler did they have to make?
my red
Put these
stapler.
staplers
That's
in
my
here. These
stapler.
staples? Yeah.
That's my stapler.
More staples here. Hey guys.
What's up, buddy? It's a little high.
Oh, this is awesome. How you doing up there, Lori? You okay, you got it?
Got it.
All right. Just hang on to that rail for dear life. What do you think?
Oh, it's pretty amazing. I mean, it's challenging, but pretty amazing.
Honest to God, who would have thought I'd be this stupid?
Just so you guys know, Kevin is afraid of heights, and he's breaking that today.
Fucking powering through that bullshit.
Hey,
Yeah, go ahead,
tell
buddy.
him, Lori, children. Oh my goodness, this is just insane. Tell you guys, I'm so proud of Kevin, because when you're afraid of heights and then you have this,
Like right here.
or down in here, this is not an easy thing for people who are afraid of heights, is it, Kevin? I like this wooden bridge up here at.
Yeah, I like
I don't
jumping
know.
on it.
It's pretty sturdy.
Yeah, it is.
Pretty sturdy, actually.
Oh, Jesus, I'm sorry. You need to scream louder.
Yeah. See, Lori's not loud even when she's getting her hand stepped on. I'm not a huge fan of heights, but I just kind of, I don't know, don't think about it too much and just kind of power through it.
What's really cool about this is everywhere I think, yeah, I could really use a handhold, there's a steel rung.
Yes, that is
They really
true.
they've done an amazing job of putting steel rungs.
Strategic places.
Very cool. Got to show you guys this gentleman here. Kevin and I are wussies. He's carrying a kid in a backpack.
52,
Look at
baby.
that. 52, all right. He's right there with me. He's a rock star. We're all wussies. Of course, you can tell that by the color of my backpack. Lori picked this out, by the way.
Pick what?
The backpack.
This one was rated moderate.
This is moderate?
Yeah, and the precipice was difficult. There were only 3 ratings.
That's hilarious.
Obviously, a gradation in each rating.
Okay, Lori, we're almost to the top.
Thank God. Because downhill is the easier part.
Yeah, there's where we were a little while ago. Down there, using the restroom. The start of our hike. Kevin's bleeding to death. He might not make it off the mountains. And Hillary has nothing on us climbing Mount Everest. We did the Beehive Summit at 520 feet. Yes! Sorry, I'm in the way. Lori's trying to
I'm doing some business here. I'm charging for
take
pictures.
She's getting $5 a shot for photographs up here.
Hey, you want to see Rocky's footsteps?
We're on the other side of the Beehive Summit now. You see Bar Harbor is back over in that direction where the cruise ship is. And again, back down where we were earlier. Little pro tip for you. You want to climb the Beehive Summit first and then go to the Bowl Trail, because if you go the other way around, you're going to annoy people by being the ones going down the large hand and footholds, and it's kind of creates a dangerous situation. So you want to go summit first, and then we're heading down around the Bowl Trail.
Yeah,
Correct?
Some of the trails are like 6 inches.
There's took me a second, but you don't want to be the person that's causing an unsafe situation by going the wrong way on the loop, so don't do that.
I'm on top of the world!
All day, every day, folks. Laura was just saying how awesome it was that these logs fell perfectly across the trail like this, forming stairs, and then filled in with dirt.
Oh, and this boulder stopped. Perfect.
Right at the edge of the trail.
Right at
It
the edge of the
stopped
trail.
right at the edge.
So it didn't hurt it.
That's awesome. We got finished with the hike up at Bee Summit in the Bowl, and now we're down at a place called Thunderhole.
You've been Thunderhole! Oh, there's only a couple people here. That's cool.
Kevin, Lori, and Laura. Right there. Lorena, you survived Beehive Summit.
I did.
You survived the Thunder Hole. Are you ready for some pizza?
Yes.
And to rest your legs a little bit.
And refreshment.
Refreshments. Yep. How you doing today?
I am doing great.
Cool. Glad to hear it. All right, Lorena. We're finishing up our day with a little walk through Bar Harbor. We're actually heading towards ice cream now after we did dinner. And I think this is where we'll close it out. We had a pretty fun day of hiking and stuff with Kevin and Laura. Nobody died. That's always a good thing. Kevin sustained a small injury, but he's okay. But overall, there were no major injuries, so that's a good thing. So.
And we're loving Acadia.
Acadia National Park has been beautiful. The Thunder Hole area was pretty cool. So this is where we're gonna call this one. So if it's your first time here, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date on all of our travels. It'd be equally as cool if you smash that like button. And we'll see you again soon in another one. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. And gals. And kids. I kept it clean on this one. For you.
It's ice cream time.
Ice cream time.
Ready for some ice cream?